I've put my Binance trader account on the left and the investor account on the right to show you the order replication. Let's sell half of my BTC at $100,000. Just watch how fast, accurate, and proportional Finestel copies and replicates orders between my Binance accounts. Everything in the investor Binance account is the same except for the amount. Now let's cancel it. It's roughly simultaneous. Now let's try another one. Let's say ETH BTC. I'm not gonna waste your time. Any spot order will be replicated proportionally. Finestel can replicate around 10,000 orders in 1/100th of a second.